Welcome. We are ReelTime Sight and Sound. We are a family-owned business that offers a variety of different audio and video solutions for your home or business. We provide audio-video design through electronics, lighting control, motorized shades, surveillance, and even custom cabinetry. To further enhance your understanding of our abilities, we will showcase one of our custom property homes that has been gracefully built into the hillside of beautiful Orange County. Our team worked with the home builder from the architectural phase all the way through to the final furnishings with the designer. We enter the house through a latched gate entryway with custom doorbell. The first view behind the residence doors is an astonishing open floor plan with a formal family room, dining room, and kitchen. You'll notice our custom in-ceiling speakers, a custom keypad for lighting with a touch screen, and our motorized shades for the skylights and windows. Our panelized lighting system provides control with one touch and helps eliminate that pesky wall clutter and removes the need for countless switches, dimmers, and buttons. The formal living room includes an 8K television set with a custom soundbar and a hidden rack system that helps declutter the home from countless wires and plugs. The automated lighting and shading system helps adjust and control light along with the overall temperature of the room. As we move throughout the home into the patio area, we can see the outdoor pool accented with in-ceiling speakers, automated pool control and fountains, and lighting displays that can be adjusted for whatever occasion you can envision, from hosting a party, enjoying a romantic date night, or just relaxing after a long day. As we enter back into the home and move throughout the hallways, you'll notice more of our automated shades leading to a lounge area containing a bar, pool table, 8K television set, and our linear lighting tape that helps maintain an even cleaner overall aesthetic and ambiance. The master bedroom is designed with more of our automated lighting, shades, speakers, and skylights. The closet is accented with more linear lighting and our motorized curtains. There are custom in-ceiling speakers that are designed to flow within the tongues and grooves of the room, and a marvelous bathroom that is equipped with a mirrored television enhanced with lighting features that can be used as a mirror or an entertainment source. This home was designed with our goal of taking one's lifestyle and connecting it to whatever technology one may dream of or need. Interested in one of our products or want to learn more? Contact us today to take your next step towards becoming truly connected to your home or business.